What is going on, everyone? So today in this video, I'm here with my first ever, I know you guys have wanted this for a very long time, my first ever mystery box video. So this is a $100 mystery box from eBay, and basically I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you all what I get, and I'm very excited to present this. The mystery box is actually sort of heavy. Again, I'm not exactly the biggest guy, as you guys can tell, so pretty much anything's heavy for me. But enough for us to myself. I really just want to get straight in this video. It's going to be a super fun one, and I'm honestly just excited to unbox this mystery box because I've never done one before, and I'm not sure what it's like, and I'm not really sure. Again, I'm not a huge fan of like surprises, so that's why I haven't done one, is because I'm like, you know, I don't really want to take the risk. But I decided to do this because you guys have been requesting it so heavily, and I said, why not have some fun on this channel? So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you're new, make sure you guys subscribe, and I will promise to do more videos just like this. If you know you all enjoy it, clearly, then I will definitely do another one. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm really excited to do this, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. Drop a like. Let's see if we can get 200 likes on this mystery box video, because I've never done one, and you know, I'll just see how well the first one does. But yeah, let's get started. Shout out to the person who made this mystery box, though. They clearly know I'm not exactly a big body. But basically, they left an opening for me, so you know, I just get to open it right here from the top. You know, I'm not a huge knife guy, so I don't really use knives. You don't really have to be a knife guy. And right here, this is our first item. Very interesting. These are some ski pants, if I'm correct, or is this ski pants? Oh no, it's actually a jacket, and it is. So our first item ends up being a pretty nice, you know, North Face jacket. You know, I might as well wear it. I'm sure that my sister will take this and probably use it, but you know, I don't mind. I don't really own many jackets, so this is a perfect thing from a mystery box. This is actually probably one of the most comfortable jackets I've ever worn. I'm not gonna lie, it is extremely comfortable, and you know, now I look like I'm from the UK with this jacket. You know, I'm liking it. I'm just messing with y'all, all you UK folks. I don't look like I'm from the UK. It's a joke. It's a joke on what y'all wear. American outfits aren't any better. But next up in the box right here, I see a lot of things in here right now, but we got this Gildan tee. I immediately noticed this. And this is a St. Thomas USB. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but this is sort of an older tee. I assume it's probably a vintage tee right here. I'm not, again, with vintage tees, I'm not sure what they're worth, so I'm not gonna say like, oh, this is crazy. So I'm not really gonna have much of a reaction to this, but we got the St. Thomas tee. I assume it's older. I'm trying to find the year on it, so it's probably older. Okay, so actually this is probably the best angle I could find, but I really like this angle, so I'm gonna use it. But we got a bunch more items in here. So this next item, oh, hold up. This is worth it suddenly. I'm wearing these for the rest of the video. Look at this, we got new glasses. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not even sure what these are. What brand are these? I don't really say, but hey, look, we got some black clout goggles, and I pulled something else out. Hold up, what is this? But I did notice that this tee right here is a Stuzzy tee, so we got a Stuzzy tee right here. I'll hold it a bit better so you can see it. And I read the whole thing. It's just, you know, Stuzzy. That's it. It's really just a Stuzzy tee. I actually can't wear these for the whole video, so I literally cannot see out of them. But next up, we gotta see what we got here. So we got this yellow tee. Okay, that actually looks sort of cool. And this is from the Cedar Fair Entertainment. So sorry, it's an old fair tee. But right here, we got this t-shirt right here. Again, if I knew more about my t-shirts, I would say, but I'm not exactly sure what this is. You know, just a yellow t-shirt. Now, if I'm trying to be the B-movie, then bam, look what we got. B-movie day, right here. Thing is though, is that this was like, I ordered like a Hypebeast mystery box. I'm waiting for something from Supreme or something, not just a bunch of vintage tees, but I'm not hating as of right now. Still pretty cool. But we got an H&M thing right here. H&M, oh, whoa. Okay, so we got an H&M collared shirt, not really Hypebeast, but sort of cool, you know. Reminds me of the beach I just went to, South Carolina. The logo looks exactly like this. Like, it looks like a bunch of beaches right there. So it's sort of cool, but again, there's nothing really Hypebeast about it. It's H&M. Okay, so this next item I was actually super stoked to unbox. It is the Supreme Black Sabbath War Pigs tee. Now, I know this tee dead stock goes for about $100. It's from Spring Summer 16, but looking at it again, when older tees like this, it's worth about $100 dead stock. So you know, that's, if we're gonna count dead stock prices, then we got our money back with this t-shirt alone. And it's a pretty cool Supreme t-shirt set, tee in my opinion, really basic design. But I love this because guess what? For all you Hypebeasts, guess what? It has the box logo on it. So guess what? You know, if you're gonna take it as a box logo, boom, boom, we got our money back. But we are not done. So let's see what we got here on this tee. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Oh, it's blue. It's blue. This is a Breaking Bad t-shirt. So you know, if you like Breaking Bad, right here, there you go. We got a Breaking Bad t-shirt again. Sort of an older t-shirt, I would assume. When vintage ones, again, I'm gonna look at if there's anything about the year. 2014, so this is from 2014, vintage tee, Breaking Bad. So not really Hypebeast, but again, sort of a cooler tee to have. We've actually gotten like a lot of stuff. If you don't notice, like this has been a really big unboxing. Like we've had a ton of stuff. Like I've made my money back very clearly with the Supreme t-shirt, North Face jacket, H&M stuff. Like we've made our money back. I'm not like doing it off resale. I'm just doing it off in terms of what I'd wear, and I've actually wear most of the stuff. So I'm glad to actually get it. But next up right here, I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, we got something right here. It's a bigger item. Maybe I can get it. But we got, oh, this is actually really cool. We got an Alaska Anchorage tee right here. And right here, look at this. Look at this right here. Again, if you're a vintage tee expert, I would assume this is probably worth something. It's pretty cool. I love the little embroidery right there all over the tee. And I can actually see sort of a Supreme influence because Supreme does a lot of tees like this on their classic logo. And I don't know, again, I don't know how old this t-shirt is, but it looks older just even by the tag, and it's saying XL. It's not even that big for an XL in my opinion. So looking at this really cool design, I would personally wear it. Yeah, I may wear it in the future. It's a cool vintage tee. We've got a lot of vintage items, not really hypebeast items, just vintage items. When I ordered the mystery box, I was like, oh yeah, you may get vintage items or hypebeast items. So we haven't gotten too many hypebeast things, just more vintage things. But we are down to our final item, if I'm correct. Yep, that's the final item. And right here, we got this brown t-shirt, and it says racing something Kuwait. I can't read it, I'm sorry. But here it is. It was made in India, so from across the world. And right here is the t-shirt, just a really basic design right there. So we really didn't get many hypebeast things, but look at that design on the back. That's pretty cool. And you know, now I got vintage tees, so when people say, oh yo, you got a vintage collection, I'm like, yeah, low-key I do. Not on purpose though, you know, for hypebeast perspectives, we didn't really get many things that are hypebeast. But we're gonna go back over all the items in a second, but we got this tee really to finish it off in the brown sort of colorway right here. And you know, I appreciate that I'm adding more vintage things to my collection, but this isn't anything crazy. And the box is empty, so that's pretty much it. But if we want to go over the items just one more time to close off the video, so we got the t-shirt I just explained. And then we have this not Supreme North Face. That would be crazy from a $100 mystery box. We got this North Face jacket, which is really, really cool. Again, like I love this jacket. It's a size large. It looks super comfortable. And again, I'm not sure how old it is, but just again, a North Face jacket's already worth over $100 in my opinion. So getting that from a $100 mystery box is definitely worth it. And it's in pretty decent condition, I'd say. Again, if a North Face jacket's beat up, it just means that it's been worn more, means it's older in my opinion, and it means it's getting its use, which I have no problem with. It's got the North Face jacket. And then I don't know if I'd ever wear this. Maybe my cousin would, because he's into more stuff like this. But we got this t-shirt right there from H&M. Very interesting. You know, if I'm going to the beach and I want to vibe out, then maybe this will work. Maybe this will work. Maybe, I don't know. And then we got this Alaska Anchorage tee. If you guys remember this is the one that I said was sort of cooler right here. Very interesting. I love the little embroidered design right there. That's just super cool in my opinion. So we got this right here. Also, I personally love this tee. Also, just the whole like changing color scheme, and it's just cool. All right. And then we also got, again, really quickly, if we're just gonna go over this, we got the Breaking Bad t-shirt. This isn't really anything crazy, just Breaking Bad. You know, some of you probably watch that, but I don't. And then we also got the Stuzzy t-shirt. I'm trying to figure out what year this t-shirt's from. Actually, I've been looking, but it doesn't really say anything. It just says size large, made in Mexico. It's just like, yeah, do not bleach. That's all. Do not bleach, which that's most things, but yeah. But we do got this t-shirt right here. I'm a fan of it, and you know, I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. It's a bit big. You guys can tell I'm not a large in this size of a t-shirt, but it's pretty good. And then we also got this older vintage t-shirt, Guild made, St. Thomas Island t-shirt, which again, I'm not really gonna wear it, but it's a cooler t-shirt. I may wear it one day. You know, if I'm like an older dad, then this could definitely come in handy. And then don't forget, we also got these glasses. You know, now I'm looking off like Velma off The Incredibles, so these. Yeah, I picked up my phone and said that was an item I got from it. But then we also got the Supreme War Pigs tee, really the only t-shirt we got. So, I mean, nothing crazy, but you know, War Pigs, sort of cool. This is actually my favorite part of it. I like this. Is a Black Sabbath right there. And then the Supreme box logo, that's actually my favorite part. And then finally, the last t-shirt that we got is this yellow one right here. This is pretty much it. Again, if I'm trying to look like Charlie Brown, then I pretty much killed it with this t-shirt. I can look like Charlie Brown, holding it upside down. I can kill the Charlie Brown look with this t-shirt, and you know, just I literally would kill it. I look like Charlie Brown already, so if I wore this, I'd be game over. Anyways, though, thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you actually get a video, because YouTube's not gonna send it to you unless you do. And be sure you guys drop a like in this video so you can hit 200 likes. That was a mouthful, but hopefully you guys, you know, get it if you're new. I would love you all to subscribe to the channel, and if this video does well, I will definitely do another. So we got a lot of interesting items in this. Not many hypebeast items, just more vintage items, but we definitely, and I say definitely with confidence, made our money back, and I'm really glad that we're able to do well in this. And by the way, the seller did not know who I am. I didn't, like, this is like, not just because I'm a YouTuber, I got good stuff. That's not how it works for this. This is 100% a legit mystery box, and I'm really glad that I got a lot of good stuff. The description read perfectly, and you know, I just got lucky, honestly. It's my first mystery box ever, and next we're gonna do something really cool with mystery boxes, maybe a Soul Supremacy like beater box or something. But enough discussion on what we could do, we may do in the future if this does well, and if you guys really like this. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching, and of course, I'll see you all in the next one, and peace out as always.